Meet SBMT, the sensor-based media trigger, a compact, powerful, and multi-purpose control box that transforms sensor input into interactive action. SBMT connects with a wide range of sensors: touch, motion, proximity, pressure, and communicates the data directly to your computer or automation system. Based on these inputs, it can trigger media playback, lights, mechanical movements, or even game logic instantly. Use case 1. Interactive displays. Imagine a TV screen showing a holding animation. The moment a visitor stands nearby, or touches an object, or waves a hand, SBMT detects the input and triggers the video. Use case 2. Responsive environments. In an event space, gallery, or installation, when a user steps into the zone, lights turn on, fans activate, or a sculpture moves, all powered by SBMT triggers. Use case 3. Multi-sensor installations. In a museum with multiple exhibits, each zone needs different interactions. SBMT lets you connect multiple boxes together, allowing dozens of sensors to work in sync. One box handles one area, another handles the next, all communicating as a seamless system. SBMT is plug-and-play, modular, and built for scale. Whether you need one sensor or 50, SBMT adapts. It speaks the language of modern media, connecting with computers, control software, and hardware outputs. Perfect for museums, retail experiences, live events, automation setups, or smart homes, SBMT turns physical presence into digital action. SBMT. Let every action trigger an experience. Ready to make your space come alive? Connect with us today.